Hi guys. Trustpilot is the most reputable review website today. Star rating services and increasing review scores on Trustpilot are also of great interest. On average, each review on Trustpilot costs between $2 to $5. Verified accounts will cost more, maybe from $5 to $10 per review. Review prices are so high because Trustpilot has strict policies and very technical review censorship. If you want to use the Trustpilot review service, you must first know how to create and manage a number of accounts. In today's video, I will not mention details about tricks and scams to post reviews on Trustpilot. I will focus on instructions on how to create and manage an account, ingredients to prepare as well as important notes. To create multiple accounts, I will use the Hide My Act tool to create profile browsers. For each profile I will use a different proxy. You can choose any country. Trustpilot will ask you to create an account using Gmail. Right now I have two options. One is to buy temporary living letters, 30 minutes, 1 hour or 24 hours, depending on the type you choose. With this type of letter, buy it, register an account, send a review and then leave it. The advantage is that it is cheap and easy to buy. The downside is that creating an account will not be very trustworthy because you can only log in to review once. However, I'm still using this method. I think it's okay, so I still recommend it to you guys. The second type is choosing to buy old Gmail. With this email, you have created an account and can verify it to increase the review price. One Gmail can be used many times to review for many parties. The downside is that the price will be higher and you will also have to spend money to buy proxies to maintain Gmail. Which type to use depends on your needs, but I think you should use type 1 first to test whether your trick is effective or not. After creating an account and standardizing the content step, you can use ChatGPT for support. But I think ChatGPT's writing style is not very good. If you review ChatGPT's original text, it will be easily deleted. You should still adjust your style. You can write like this, punctuate naturally. Take advantage of ChatGPT to come up with ideas for yourself. After you finish writing your review, click Submit. Remember to add an avatar to your account. If you use a country proxy, choose that country's avatar. An American proxy with an Asian avatar is not very trustworthy. Trustpilot will check. If okay, it will be approved. But there are still cases where reviews posted are deleted, even if they are real users. It could be that the style is unnatural, the content is duplicated, or the IP has been blacklisted by Trustpilot. If after 14 to 21 days your review has not been deleted, then it is okay. So if your service test is okay, where can you learn about customers? The fastest way is to go to Facebook and search for the keyword Trustpilot review. There are many groups here where he can post for free. Or dive into Black Hat World threads. You can sign up for Black Hat World Junior VIP package to post on Marketplace. This method is also quite effective because Black Hat World traffic is very good. In general, when doing this service, the most important thing is to keep your review from being deleted. Once you have decided to do business, you must also calculate the rate of consideration for deletion. But if you do 100 reviews but have 50 or 60 of them deleted, there's no profit. If you're smart, you'll still have to spend money on warranty for customers. Above, I have completed instructions on how to create and manage the number of Trustpilot accounts to open a 5-star review service. Each person's tips and tricks will be different. I only have these notes and experiences to share with you guys. If any of you are doing this service, if you have any problems, please share with me in the comments below. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you find it interesting, please give me one like or one subscribe so I can have more motivation to make new videos.